How to fix Windows 11 error system thread exception not handled. 1. Boot into Windows safe mode. 2. Uninstall then reinstall the graphics card drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Repair your sysfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health/source wimax sources install.wim1/limit access 4. Use a Windows restore. Point, if you have. 5. Reset reinstall your system.